Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial we are going to learn about wildcards. A wildcard character is used to substitute one or more characters in a string. Wildcard characters are used with the SQL like operator. The like operator is used in a where clause instead of equal. Let's say that you cannot remember a value in a column. For example, you cannot remember how a certain city name is spelled. You just know the first or second letters of the city name. So instead of using equal, you can use like, and after that you can type only the letters that you remember in the name of that city. For example, if you want to retrieve London and you just remember the first letter L, or maybe the first and the second LO, you may just type LO and after that a wildcard based on your scenario, so you can retrieve all the cities that start with L or LO. Let's have a look at the practical example in MySQL and Microsoft SQL Server. So in a new query in MySQL, let's type select everything from and drag employee A. Execute. Now you got all employees. Let's say you need to put a condition here. So let's type where last name, enter, equal, open quotation, and type CACER. So let's say you want to retrieve all employees with this last name. Execute. And as you see, we got only one employee with this last name. Let's say you cannot remember what is the spelling of the full name. You just remember part of it. Let's say only the first letter, or the first and the second, or the 1.5. So you want to try to find the last name of this employee. So instead of using equal, you can type here like. And here, let's say you want to try the first letter only. Type C, and after that, let us use this wildcard. Shift 5. So we got percentage. What is the meaning of percentage? Percentage means that we are going to retrieve all employees with the last name start with C. It doesn't matter what is after C, how many character after C, just start with C. So execute now. So after that we will type percentage. To get percentage, click on Shift 5. Percentage means to retrieve all employees that their last name start with C. It doesn't matter what is after C or how many characters or letters after C. So let's now execute this query. And as you see here, we got two employees. Both of them, their last name start with C. The first one has 4 letters and the second one has 7 letters. In this slide, you can find this link to one of the websites that has a list of wildcards. Click on this link and let's have a look what we have here. In this website, we got some information about wildcards in several database engines. So the first one here in Microsoft Access, you can see all the symbols of wildcards that you can use in Microsoft Access, and scroll down, you can see the wildcards here that can be used in Microsoft SQL Server. The first one here is percentage, and percentage represents 0 or more characters. For example, if you typed BL and percentage, you can find BL, black, blue, and blob. These are examples of what you can get if you have in your database or table. And the second one here, underscore, represent a single character. For example, if you type H_T, you can find hot, hat, and hit. So underscore represents one character or single character. And we got here square brackets, which represent single character within the brackets, and these are the words that you can get.